Hello everyone, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. Today we'll review IPO of Shree Marutinandan Tubes Limited IPO. Shree Marutinandan Tubes Limited is engaged in business of trading of galvanized pipe, electric resistance welding mild sheets, that is ERWMS. It traded in pipes like round pipes, square and rectangular hollow sections in various specifications, sizes ranging from 15 NB to 1000 NB, and also in trading of black pipes and solar structural pipes. Their products have wide application in various industries like agriculture, oil, public health, housing, irrigation, engineering, infrastructure, and industrial. So this is the business Sri Marutinandan Tubes company is operating in. So this company is raising fund of 14.30 crore shares using IPO, which is starting on 12th of January and closing on 16th of January. So total lot size is 1000 shares and IPO price range is 143 per share, that is fixed. So total amount 143 into 1000, that means rupees 1,43,000 you have to allocate if you want to apply for this IPO. Total IPO basis of allotment will be on 17th of January. If you are lucky, then credit of shares to your demat account will be on 18th. Otherwise, fund will be refunded on 18th of January. This IPO is listing on NSE on 19th of January 2024. Moving to financial information of Sri Marutinandan Tubes Limited IPO. Revenues is increasing for last 3 years, and PAT has also increased to a good amount, that is 2 crores from last year 6 lakhs profit. So guys, this IPO review is for educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Consult your financial advisor before applying IPO. Thank you guys.